Maybe you're staying in and cooking this Valentine's Day.
Grace Vallo of Tastefully Grace is here now with not one, but two appetizers that are perfect for the big holiday. Hey, Grace.
Hi, guys. It's great to see you.
Great to see you.
I cannot believe that it is Valentine's Day already on Monday. It's so crazy how time is flying by so fast. But if you're like me, you're probably celebrating Valentine's Day this weekend instead of on Monday. So today I'm going to be showing you two appetizers that I'm going to be making for Valentine's Day this weekend. And it all starts with a pancetta and Parmesan popcorn, and then I'm going to end with a ricotta toast. So let's get started with this Parmesan pancetta popcorn. It's kind of like a carbonara of popcorn. So if you like carbonara, you're going to love this popcorn. So it starts off with some pancetta. I just got some diced pancetta in the grocery store. It's pre-diced, and you just want to throw it in a pan, a dry pan, and you just want to crisp it up, just like you're crisping up bacon. And then once it's crispy, you just want to scoop it out, and you're going to put it in a bowl that's lined with a paper towel. And this is the trick of the trade. This kind of, sucks up all of those extra juices and fats that you don't want in your popcorn. It's the trick of the trade. And then you're just going to pop your pancetta right into a bigger bowl here, now that it's nice and drained. And then you're just going to add a little zhuzh of olive oil right in there and a lot of black pepper. So I love black pepper in this popcorn recipe. Something about popcorn and black pepper is amazing. I'd be just going at this black pepper all day if there wasn't a time constraint. And then you're just going to add in your popcorn. So I just got a microwave popcorn bag, popped it in the microwave, and then you're just going to throw it right into your big bowl here. And then to it, you're going to add some finely grated Parmesan cheese. You can use Parmesan Reggiano if you prefer and you want to get all fancy. And then all you have to do is just take 2 spoons, and you're just going to toss this until it's really well combined. And if you don't have pancetta in hand, you can also use bacon if you have that in the refrigerator. It's a nice extra smoky option. And then you just want to put it in any little container that you have. You can get cute little popcorn bags. I found this fun little canister that I had at home. It's just so cute with the popcorn. And then you have to pair your popcorn with a little bit of sparkling rosé. It's the perfect pairing. You could do a little Prosecco on the side, but it's bright red, so you have to do the rosé with it.
Nice.
But I'm not going to stop there. We have another recipe for you, ricotta toast, which happens to be my favorite Valentine's Day appetizer.
Ooh.
So ricotta toast, if you don't know what it is, it's kind of like avocado toast, but instead of avocado, you're going to add ricotta on it, and then you can put any other ingredients on top of that. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a pistachio and hot honey ricotta toast. Yum. So it starts off with some toasted bread. So I just have toasted sourdough. You can also use like a toasted wheat or whatever you want to use. And you just want to break the bread in half so it's in tiny little pieces, and that helps for, an appetizer. You don't want something huge. And then you can just take some ricotta, and you just want to slather that toast generously with ricotta. You can use like a part skim too, if you prefer, instead of the whole milk ricotta, for a little healthier option. And then we're going to make our hot honey. So do you guys like spicy food?
Yeah, a little bit of a kick.
Yeah, not light your mouth on
a little
fire.
Kick. Yeah, this is just a little kick. It's the perfect amount of kick. So I have some honey here, and to it, I'm going to add a little bit of harissa paste. And harissa is actually like a hot red chili paste. And it's this beautiful bright red color. So it is so perfect for Valentine's Day. You're just going to mix the two together, and then you're just going to drizzle it on the top, just like that. And It adds like a little bright red color that's so festive and fun, and it adds a sweet, slightly spicy taste to it. And then on the top of that, I have some pistachios. So I just got pistachios in the grocery store that are pre-shelled. You want to open up a plastic baggie, just a little Ziploc bag, pop those nuts right in there, and then seal the bag shut, put it on the counter, get a water glass, and you just want to crush your nuts with the bottom of the water glass. And this is the best way to have crushed nuts here. And it doesn't make a mess and they're not flying everywhere. And then you just want to add a little sprinkle of those crushed pistachios right on there. And it's going to add like a buttery, kind of salty crunch to the top. And then finally, you just finish it with a little bit of fresh thyme right on the top for a little green and a little bit more salt. And again, pair it with a little sparkling rosé to make it more Valentine's Day. And you have amazing ricotta toast and some pancetta Parmesan popcorn.
Thank you,
Thanks, Grace.
We appreciate it. Have a
Yum.
great day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And you can follow Grace at Tastefully Grace.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, it's a great time to sell your house, right? You're going to be talking to a real estate agent about it, is it?
So how cool or hot is this? We're getting a sneak peek at a festival that's all about fire and ice.
my God,
Look what
look
he's
at
done
that.
so far. Look at the sculpture right in our parking lot there. We'll be right back.
Isn't that amazing?